Welcome back everyone. Today we're doing an advanced hip and leg opening sequence. I want you to start in a lunge position with your left foot behind. Now slowly move your right foot to the left, placing the outside of your shin bone flat on the ground. Now bend your elbows and lower your torso until you're almost lying down. Make sure you don't turn and open your body. You want to keep your body flat facing the ground. If you can, extend your arms over your head and lie down completely, going into full pigeon pose. Gently raise yourself up to change sides, bring your left foot forward, slide it towards the right until your shin bone is flat on the ground. The toes on your right foot should be pointed behind, and once again lower your torso, bringing your elbows to the ground or extending your arms over your head. Take a few deep breaths and return to a lunge position with your right foot placed in between your hands. Now in this pose, I want you to straighten both your knees, trying to touch your forehead to your front knee. Come back down to lunge position and straighten your right knee while keeping your left knee bent and touching the ground. Try to touch your forehead to your knee and feel a deep stretch in the back of your leg. Gently bend your front knee and change legs to repeat both of these stretches. First, lunge position with your left foot in between your hands. Straighten both your legs and touch your forehead to your left knee. Breathe, lower your right knee to the ground, push your hips behind and straighten your left knee, working deep into the hamstring. This next one is painful but very simple. Sit on the floor with your knees completely straight and feet as wide as you can. Then place your hands on the floor close to your pelvis and slowly slide them ahead on the floor as much as you can without bending your knees. Hold it for 5 to 10 deep breaths. You can also reach your hands towards your ankles, but keep trying to push your head towards the floor. If you need to relax your legs, take a quick break and then come down on all fours for the next stretch. With your hands and knees on the ground, start pushing your knees apart and outside and bend your elbows, placing your forearms on the ground. Now bend your hips down towards your ankles, feeling a stretch in your inner thigh and groin. I'll show you the same pose from another side so you can get a better look. Stay here and focus on your breath. Next, we'll do a downward dog sequence, so start in the push-up position. Keep your knees and elbows straight. Start pushing your hips up and behind. Bring your chest towards your knees. Once you feel stable in this pose, take a deep breath and raise your left leg as high up as you can. Bend that knee and keep trying to push it up and behind. Do not allow your body to lean forward this way. Keep your knees and elbows straight. Push your hips up and behind. Bring your chest towards your knees. Keep your fingers spread, palms flat and pressed into the ground. One leg downward dog. Slowly lower that leg and we'll perform the same thing on the other side. Raise your right leg up, bend that knee and take deep breaths. Okay, lower that leg, return to downward dog, don't lose your position yet. Take your left hand and place it on the outside of your right shin bone. One-handed downward dog. Take a few deep breaths and repeat on the other side, arms and legs completely straight. Try to keep your heels flat into the ground. Taking your hand higher towards your knees will make the stretch easier, while taking your hand lower towards your ankles will take you deeper into the stretch. Keep pushing your chest towards your knees, take deep breaths and we'll do this one more time on each side. Once you're done, return to a lunge position with your right foot forward and come back into pigeon pose. This time you're going to keep your torso upright, bend your left leg and bring your foot towards your hips. Then grab your ankle with your left hand and keep pulling your foot towards your hips to feel a stretch in the front of your left thigh. Breathe and repeat on the other side. If you can, place your forearm on the ground and lean your body weight forward to go deeper into the stretch. Perform this entire routine 2 more times, go at your own speed, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up.